now it is just 5 minutes to finish, and it's getting very high speed filtering and removing the water content from the washed clothes. Almost all done. Final drying rotations after removing the water at high speed. And just now it is finished, and I can switch off the machine. This one, start, pause. This switch, if I just do, it started. Now it stopped, and then it will stop slowly because it's done. And I will just switch off this power. This is on, off, and this one off. Now this is switched off now after complete washing. I will remove this one. See here, this is the switch, this one, and that switch, if I press this one towards me, you see, if I switch this one, push this towards me and then open, it will open. But I think it is taking some more time to unlock from the automation safety system. That's why it's not coming. I'll try once again. Now it has come. See? Yes. You see here, this is now open. If I switch, if I press this one, you see here, this one. You see, when I just press this one towards me, it's getting unlocked. This is the lever. They are interlinked. This one will just lock into this system. Okay, this will go into this hole, rectangular hole, and if I just press this, see, it will not open when the machine is running. And now these are the clothes in their natural position when the machine is stopped. See here, all clothes, all are washed, ready. See here inside, everything is washed. Okay, now I'll just move some clothes. See, there, it's rotating. Okay. Okay, now they are ready to be dried outside and the open air. I'll just keep this one a little bit closed without locking it so that Nanima will come and I will remove the clothes in a tub and then we will just the washed clothes will be dried here by taking into this tub first and then dried one after the other on this drying stand. Okay, and this is the London bus just came to Atherton Road, Atherton Leisure Centre. One bus is going to stop near this center and another bus is ready to move. And Tesco product lorry is here and your Nanima is calling, but before that I'll show you this London bus, TFL bus. Now traffic is there because one big trailer is coming from that side and slowly now bus is moving. Yes, and that is the another lorry. This is Tesco product lorry and this is Sainsbury at the corner. Just white truck is turning onto the left side at the corner where the Sainsbury is there. And the things which are seen little bit far away is where your birthday was celebrated in West Ham Park. This is the West Ham Park. Okay, this is the West Ham Park. And the cloths are dried on this stand and this is the washing machine from where we'll take the clothes. Thank you, Aarwin. You are very intelligent to watch all these things and trying to learn silently, and I wish you all the best, Aarwin. Thank you.